Well, we've got new details this afternoon regarding the disappearance of 21-year-old Isabella Comas. She was last seen January 11th leaving a friend's house in Avondale, and she was supposedly on her way to see her boyfriend, 39-year-old Tommy Rodriguez, considered a person of interest in the case. Now, according to court documents, surveillance cameras captured him driving her car the day after she disappeared. Her phone was also found that day at a recycling center in Phoenix. When police found Comas's car, it allegedly had blood stains inside, parts were missing, and lining had been removed. Rodriguez reportedly flew out of state that same day, but returned the next day and was arrested by police. He faces charges of theft and criminal damage. No word yet if more charges will be added. So let's take a legal deep dive into this case. Joining me now is criminal defense attorney Josh Colesroot. You know, this is interesting. Rodriguez, he is a convicted murderer. He's got quite the violent past, which includes stalking and homicide. Why is he still considered a person of interest and there's no other additional charges?
He's a person of interest because he was around the victim at the time of her disappearance. He was also dating her, and the police tracked her phone around that period of time, and they were able to determine that the phone went around his house and also in an area that the body could have been dumped. And there was another thing they found in the car that wasn't mentioned earlier, and that is police also found a tarp and gasoline in the car itself. And they haven't found a body yet, but the circumstantial evidence is adding up.
Well, I was going to say, isn't that clearly, some evidence right there that something went terribly wrong when you've got that in addition to surveillance video, there's blood, cell phone found at the, it just kind of adds up.
Well, something is clearly amiss, and luckily they have him on a class 3 theft of means of transportation, and because he has 2 prior historical convictions, his presumptive term is 11 years, 11.25 years. So they have the primary suspect, so to speak, right where they want him. He's not going anywhere, which means they're going to have additional time to make a case and hopefully find the body.
Right. Okay. All right, Josh, thank you so much.